Most welcome in this English book reading session. Today we will learn about adverbs with the help of book reading process. An adverb usually adds to the meaning of a verb as shown in the following sentences. So we will learn about adverbs with the help of a few examples. He walks quickly. इसका हिंदी अर्थ हुआ वह तेजी से टहलता है. The adverb quickly tells us how he walks. यहाँ पर quickly शब्द हमें इस बात की सूचना देता है कि वह कैसे टहलता है. The girl sang sweetly. लड़की मधुरता से गीत गाई. The adverb sweetly says how the girl sang. यहाँ पर जो शब्द sweetly प्रयुक्त हुआ है वह हमें बताता है कि लड़की कैसे गीत गाई. They arrived yesterday. वे लोग कल आए. The adverb yesterday says when they arrived. यहाँ पर yesterday शब्द हमें यह सूचना देता है कि वह कब आया. My uncle lives there. यहाँ पर there शब्द हमें सूचना देता है कि मेरे अंकल जी कहाँ रहते हैं. The adverb there says where he lives. इन उदाहरणों से क्या स्पष्ट होता है? इसका संक्षिप्त परिभाषा इस प्रकार है. An adverb usually adds to the meaning of a verb and often tells us how, when or where something happens. Adverb हमेशा verb के साथ कुछ नए शब्दों को जोड़ता है जिससे हमें how यानी कैसे, when यानी कब, where मतलब कहाँ की सूचना प्राप्त होता है, यानी कि वह क्रिया कहाँ संपादित हुई, कैसे संपादित हुई और कब संपादित हुई, इसकी सूचना हमें एडवर्ब प्रदान करता है. क्लास 5 के स्तर पर एडवर्ब को इसी सीमा तक समझना निर्दिष्ट है. इसका प्रयोग हम आने वाले एक्सरसाइज में करेंगे और इस कंसेप्ट को भली भांति समझेंगे. एक्सरसाइज 5. अंडरलाइन द एडवर्ब्स इन दी सेंटेंसेस. फर्स्ट, he ran fast to catch the bus. Here the word fast is an adverb, so it has been underlined for your sake of simplicity. Example second, 3 women are standing outside. Here the word outside is an adverb, so it has been underlined here. I did well in my exam. Here the word well is an adverb, so it has been underlined here. Example 4, please put the bag here. कृपा करके बैग यहाँ रखें. यहाँ here the word here is an adverb. He drove slowly as the road was slippery after the rain. So the word slowly and slippery acts as an adverb. You must do it now. Here now shows adverb of time, so it has been underlined here. And we will clarify this concept with the help of activity, new activity. So just see ahead. Exercise 6. Complete the sentences with suitable adverbs. Choose from these. Here word, given word, easily, quietly, hard, slowly, hungrily, and bravely. Example first. He failed the exam because he did not work hard. Here the word hard is an adverb. Sheila is good at maths. She can do any sum easily. Here the word easily is an adverb. He is old and weak, so he walks slowly. Here the word slowly is an adverb. The baby is asleep. Speak quietly. Here the word quietly is an adverb. You can see here. Next, the soldiers fought bravely. Here the word bravely is an adverb, and won the battle. Next, he did not have breakfast, so he ate his lunch hungrily. In this way, you can learn more about adverb by practicing your activity book. I do hope it will help you to complete the next exercises belonging to this lesson. Thank you very much. All the best.